Product based companies. This is always a dream for every student who is studying in a college, or also an employee who is working in a company, right? Most of the service based company employees, they want to migrate to product based companies, and the students who have done their recent graduation, they just want to get into the product based companies, right? So if you want to get into the product based companies at these days, it become very tough. You need to crack all the competitive programming level questions, and also you have to be strong enough in some of the code platforms, right? So even though if you have done all these things, if you want to stand out if you want to get into the eyes of the recruiters of these product based companies, so you have to take care about your resume. This is the initial step you have to take care, right? So creating a stunning resume is very important for every person, right? So there are some softwares, and also there are some websites actually that can prepare some cool resumes for you, especially for free. And also there are some softwares are available that gonna take a little charge from you, right? So in my view, the first website is all about Google Docs. Yes, you heard it right. Google Docs is also a website where you can do a lot of things. Well, heading over to Google Chrome, the first website is Google Docs. Mostly this website is used to create some of the great documents that gonna like doc files, and also like some PDFs. So you can create a lot of files over here, and this also provides one of the greatest feature, which is a resume. And head over to go to Google Docs, and also get into the section of like there is a small section that already the developers have been uploaded one of the column, which is resume. So where you can find out some interesting templates over here. You can use those templates, or you can use other than the templates which you like, and you can import there, and you have to edit those templates as per your requirements, as per your interest, and as per your design. So you can check out this Google Docs, and you have to, after designing, so you can click on download, where you can download all the resume and you can put it on your portfolio. And the second website is Overleaf. So this is the website overleaf.com. So in this Overleaf, so most of the people who actually work in who is working in a product based companies, they used to upload their resumes on this particular project. They have been what type of template they have been used, these type of projects they're gonna use. So getting into like a resume or CV column, so you are going to see some tons of templates that most of the top IIT students or the employees who actually work there. So you can check out this website. This is one of the best website where you are not going to get any such watermark in these websites. So this is a very free website, and you can head over to this website, look at different type of columns, and look at different type of resumes that gonna provide all type of services to you. So and the another website that I gonna suggest is finally is Canva. Canva is one of the best website for graphical designing. So if you are if you want your recruiters to like watch your resume like with more effective graphics, so this website is one of the best website. In this you're gonna have some templates, or you can find in Canva search which is called resume. So you can just type it on the search column, and you can get some cool resume templates over here. So you can use these resume templates, and you can also find out edit option over here, and you can edit those things, right? So once clicking on that, so you are going to heading over to the edit section, so where you can edit the resume over here. So this is the edit section. You can edit the columns, and you can add you can increase the size, and as well as you can decrease it, right? So this is the third website. And finally I just want to like give you the another website, because this website is not free, so you have to pay some money for this, but this is one of the best website. Trust me guys, this is one of the best to get into product based companies. If you want to, like, the website is Hiration, and you have to heading over to hiration.com. So this website you can create the resumes, which is really very unique, and you can look at the templates which are actually very nice about the design. I've seen this, and this is also providing a premium, which is a mandatory to take the premium, because you can only download one a resume if you are going to work with sample. And if you're getting to like premium section, so you are going to like get like 899 or like it's just 900 rupees per year. So it's been a very flexible option for all of you. If you are a student, so you can combine 2 to 3 students and you can share your money and you can buy for this premium. So it's very helpful for all of you people. And you can also check out the resume actually. So what type of resume they're gonna what type of template they're gonna give you, like, so these templates are actually stunning. Once the recruiters, they're gonna see these resumes, definitely it's gonna attract them a lot. Most of the product based companies, they're not gonna look at your resume. Okay, so every product based companies, they're gonna have some machines that gonna scan your resume. It look particular keywords in your resume. If that matches, then only the resume will be forwarded to your HR. So at the most of the companies, they're gonna do like this. So this type of templates are very useful for designing, and also this is very short and crisp, and also you can keep a lot of useful content other than mixing up with a lot of graphics and visuals that are not useful. So I hope you got like this video a lot, because these are the top websites that provide free resumes and something like this. And I just want to give you some tips actually. So once you are creating a resume, so most of the people, they are likely to keep photo on their resume, because this is not a great option. If you keep your photo, most of the recruiters, they don't like to see your face. Like they only select your resume by using your skills or the establishments what you have done and the projects what you have did, right? So having a photo is just it's just not a great option. Okay, so the second option is like you should not never mention any such addresses, and also like marital status and something like that, because it's not gonna make any sense. So no company is going to look at like are you married or not, or where you are living right now. Once you are getting inside a company, they're gonna collect all your data. At that point, that data is very important, but including all those data in this resume is not going to be valid, and also it increases a lot of unuseful information weightage. So I hope that you guys like my video, and this is all up to the video.